Recently on That Techo Guy, I released a video showing you how you can mine Safemoon on the unMineable pools. Well, today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you how you can mine Safemoon version 2 on the unMineable pools as well. Stay tuned. Okay, so as you may know, now that version 2 of Safemoon is in full swing, the most ideal scenario is for you to actually be accumulating this coin or purchasing this coin in the version 2 iteration of Safemoon and not version 1, because there are higher fees now in order to purchase the version 1 Safemoon or in order to mine the version 1. So it would be most ideal to mine or purchase version 2 of Safemoon, because that will give you even more reflections as well. And reflections means that you will actually make more passive income by actually holding on to the version 2 iteration of Safemoon. Now, I am going to say straight out, like usual, this is no financial advice, so do trade at your own risk and do also mine at your own risk as well. So on the screen here, you can see the unMineable website, and here on the 26th of November, you can see that this is when the announcement was made, and I have another video showing you how to mine the version 1 of Safemoon. Also, in the coin section now, you can see that there is Safemoon version 2 here, which is also based on the BEP20 network. So if we just click on that, you can now see that you can actually mine this directly via unMineable, and the payout for this is 7,000 SFM. That is the symbol for Safemoon version 2, SFM. This is divided by 1,000. So whereas on Safemoon version 1, you would need a payout threshold of 7 million coins, on version 2, you would need 7,000. So that is divided by 1,000. So I'm going to go back to Safemoon version 2, and here you can see the settings that you would need to change. Now, normally the address for Safemoon version 1 will be the same as Safemoon version 2. However, do make sure to check this 100%, because it might not be the case for you. I, in my case, am using the Safemoon wallet, and for the version 1 token and version 2 token, the address is the same. However, if you're using something like, for example, Trust Wallet, it might be different. So be sure to check that and make sure it is correct. So all that you would need to do, if you're mining, for example, on your GPUs and you're mining on the ET-hash algorithm, I personally am using Phoenix Miner. So here I have my script for my current version 1 Safemoon coin. So I am currently mining on the ET-hash algorithm. You can mine, obviously, if you have a graphics card that does not support 6 GB of video memory, you can try one of the other 2 GPU algorithms, which are the ETC hash and the Cowpal algorithms, and those will slightly differ in code here when you come to obviously script this. So this would be ETC hash, or it would be kp.unmineable.com if you were going to try on Cowpal. It depends on which algorithm and which hardware you are using. I am using ET hash, so what I would do here in order to be able to mine Safemoon version 2 from version 1 is I would change the word Safemoon to SFM, as it says down here where it says your address and your worker name. So I am doing SFM : the wallet address here, which is in my case the same as the version 1 token, so I'm not going to change that. My worker is Techo Guy Safemoon, and I'm just going to do V2 here, so I know that it is now version 2 underscore GPU, and then you can add your referral code, hashtag, and the referral code. Mine is in the description down below if you would like to use mine to get a reduction on the pool fee on unMineable from 1% to 0.75%. The rest I left pretty much as default, and I only changed the target temperature, which is set to 0, and that is for the reason that I want to control my fans of my GPUs manually through the overclocking software, like for example MSI Afterburner. My temperature stop is at 83 degrees, so that if it reaches 83 degrees, mining will stop. Now, if I were to mine on the ETC hash, because my graphics card did not have 6 gigabytes of video memory, but for example, I only had 4 gigabytes of video memory, then the Dash coin would not be ETH, but it would be ETC. Same thing for CowPow, the coin would change to CowPow. So be sure to check out even the guides here on unMineable for more on that as well. Once you've saved that, you can just run it and that will start mining immediately the version 2 token of Safemoon. Now, if you were to mine this via your CPU instead, so this is my script for my CPU, it is exactly the same thing. So here you would click on the random X tab and it will tell you exactly what you need to do as well. So I'm going to just change my script for the CPU from Safemoon to SFM as well. And again, my wallet address has not changed in my case, but again, make sure to check it in your case because it might be different. That Techo Guy Safemoon, I'm going to do V2 underscore CPU, and I only have one, so I'm just going to remove that. Hashtag again, the referral code that you can use down in the description below. -P is X for password, that is the default. I also wanted to mention that -ARX is the algorithm, which in this case is randomX when mining on your CPUs. -K is keep alive so that the connection does not time out as much as possible. So basically just save that and just close it down and then just run it. Obviously make sure to check out my videos on how you can mine faster with your CPU in order to enable huge pages as well, and make sure that you're running it as administrator from XMRig if you're using your CPUs so that MSR mod is enabled as well. So that is basically it for both of the scripts. Also, speaking of Safemoon version 2, I currently also have a giveaway running where I will be giving out to the lucky winner 50,000 Safemoon version 2 tokens, so be sure to check out the video on that at the end of this video in the link or in the description below, where I will also be leaving a link to the video. And good luck to all of you. Thank you very much for helping me to surpass the 5,000 subscriber milestone, and in fact now I've even reached 5,100 subscribers as well, so I really do appreciate your massive support. And do keep this momentum flowing and keep the community growing so that we can continue to grow and to learn together. If you have any issues about this video or about anything else, please do let me know down in the comments below. And as always, I will do my best to help you out to the best of my ability. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe and like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.